Welcome to the Home Care Home-Based Video Training Center. This video includes information regarding pathways. Enjoy! In order to begin the plan of care development process, the user should tap on Pathways in the Visit Actions section. Pathways allows the user to select a series of treatments for this client's episode. Those items that are checked yes will populate into the plan of care development. Before we can address the plan of care development, we must complete the pathways to identify all treatments that will be provided this episode. The first pathway, Skilled Nurse Evaluation Performed, Additional Visits Required, indicates that we plan to see this client again. If additional visits are required, tap Yes. This pathway identifies whether or not the patient is 85 or older. In this case, I will select No. Med-Surg Nursing. In most cases, Med-Surg Nursing will be yes. This pathway would typically not be presented to physical therapists. Pathways vary by discipline. An occupational therapist would not have the same list of pathways as a physical therapist. At the same time, nurses would not have the same pathways as social workers. If the patient requires routine Med-Surg nursing, tap Yes. Again, it's up to the clinician to decide whether or not these responses are yes and no. Also note at the bottom of the screen, we can go to the previous item, the next item, or view history. Tapping on history allows the user to view what items have been addressed and the responses of those items. Close returns the user to the Pathways section. This particular pathway is very important to include additional disciplines. Should the client need a home health aide or therapist, it is important for a skilled nurse to tap Yes, Need for additional disciplines. I will select Yes for PT, No for OT, and Yes for home health aide services. Once the nurse has addressed the last item, she will return to the Visit Action screen. Here, a green check mark will be presented. At this point, the pathways selected have populated Locator 21 orders in the Plan of Care Development section. This concludes the video regarding pathways.